starting as a sort of first port of call, Booking.com, Airbnb, will get you a level of bookings. I think where people make a mistake is that they think they can completely rely on those, for all of their business.
Today, we've got a gent called Jason Libin, who is coming on to this podcast. Jason has got a long history with property and service accommodation. I'm going to let him introduce himself in a second. And how many properties do you look after in the UK?
So total properties all over our rental stock is about 185, mostly in the northeast. We've got a couple in London.
What is the most common mistake that you see people making in the industry when they're getting going?
One of the big mistakes, particularly coming from the property side, is not understanding that you need to actively manage your price. Your pricing should be very dynamic.
What is the one bit of advice that you've seen in the industry that you don't agree with? What would that be?
I guess some of the bad advice around planning, about planning use classes.
So what are you doing now moving forward to help the industry, help SA, help people who want to get into SA?
For a while now, I've held various sort of events for people to come to, but we've slightly sort of moved on from there, because what I found is with those events, it's an awful lot of time and effort to put them on, and also people have got there's obviously a cost for people to attend, which is related to the cost of putting them on. People have got to travel, they've maybe got to take a day out of their week to come to that event.